Welcome to our channel Aglasim Schools. Today we will be covering chapter 11, that is mensuration. So starting with the first question of our 11.3 exercise, our first question says there are two cuboidal boxes. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make? So first box is given this and the second box is given this. So by solving first box, that is length is given to us 60, breadth is given to us 40 and height is given to us 50. So by applying the formula, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, which will give you 14800 centimeter square. Now solving the B box, that is again length is given 50, breadth is given 50 and height is also given 50. So by applying the same formula, that is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, which will give us 15,000 centimeter square. Moving to our second question, which says a suitcase which measures 80 cm and 48 cm and 24 cm is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 cm is required to cover 100 such suitcases? So by how we have to solve it, that length of the suitcase box we have to take L, that is 80 cm, which is given to us. Breadth is also given, that is 48 centimeter, and the height is also given, which is 24 centimeter. So again, total area surface we can find it very easily, that is by applying the formula 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, which will give you 13824 centimeter square. Now we have to find the area of tarpaulin cloth. So area of tarpaulin cloth is equals to area of suitcase, that is L into B, which is equals to 13824. And applying the length and breadth, length is not given to us, so breadth is given to us, that is 96. So by applying this length, we can find it as 144 centimeter square. So the required tarpaulin of 100 cases will be 144 into 100, which will give us 14400 centimeter. Now turning centimeter into meter, we will get 144 meter. Moving to our question number 3, which says find the size of the cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. So surface area of cube will be 600 centimeter, which is given to us. So 6L square equals to 600. So length is equal to 10 centimeter. So the side of cube is 10 centimeter. Moving to our fourth question, which says Ruksha painted the outside of cabinet of measures 1 meter, 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover if she painted all except the bottom of cabinet? Here it is given 1 meter, 2 meter and 1.5 meter. So we have to solve it. First of all, we have to take length, which is given to us, that is 2 meter. Breadth, which is given to us, that is 1 meter. And height, which is given to us, that is 1.5 meter. That is LB plus 2 BH plus HL. Applying this formula, we can have 11 meter square. So the required surface area of cabinet is 11 meter square. Moving to our fifth part, which says denial is painting the wall and ceiling of a cuboidal hole with length and breadth and height of 15 meter, 10 meter and 7 meter. From each can of paint, 100 meter square of area is painted. How many cans of paint will be needed to paint the room? So length of the wall, that is 15 meter, which is given to us. Length is given, breadth is given and height is given. So by applying the surface area of classroom, that is LB plus 2 into BH plus HL, we can have 500 meter square. So required number of cans will be area of hole divided by area of one can, that is 500 divided by 100. So we can have total can as 5 cans. Moving to our sixth question, which says describe how the two figures below are alike and they are different. Which box has larger lateral surface area? So how we have to solve these two? The diameter of cylinder, this one is 7, which is given to us, and the radius will be 7 by 2. That is height is also given 7 centimeter. So the lateral surface area is 2 pi r h. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 2 into 7, which will give you 154 centimeter square. So the lateral surface area will be 4L square, that is 4 into 7 whole square, which will give you 196 centimeter square. Okay, so the cube has larger area. Moving to our seventh question, which says the closed cylindrical tank of radius 7 meter and height 3 meter is made from the sheet of metal. How much sheet metal is required? So the radius of the rectangular tank, that is R, equals to 7 meter and the height is 3 meter, which is given to us. Total surface area we can find it very easily, that is 2 pi r bracket h plus r, which will give you 440 meters square. Moving to our 8th question, which says a lateral surface area of a hollow cylindrical is 4224 centimeter square. It is cut along its height and formed a rectangular sheet of width 33 centimeter. Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So we have lateral surface area, that is 4224 centimeter square, and height is given to us, that is 33 centimeter. So by applying curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH, we can have it as 4224, that is equals to 2 into 22 by 7 into r into 33, we will get as 64 into 7 divided by 22 centimeter. We don't need to solve it here. We can further solve it like length of the rectangular sheet is 2 pi r. So by applying 2 into 22 by 7 into 64 into 7 upon 2, we will get 128 centimeter. So the perimeter of rectangular sheet is 2 bracket L plus B. This we know. So by applying the length and breadth in it, we can have 322 centimeter square. Moving to our 9th question, which says the road roller takes 750 complete revolutions to make once over to level a road. Find the area of the road if the diameter of the road roller is 84 centimeter and the length is 1 meter. So it is very easy, like diameter of road roller is 84 centimeter, which is given to us, and the radius is also given, that is d by 2, which is equals to 84 divided by 2, which will have 42 centimeter. So the length is 1 meter. So we will convert this meter into centimeter, that will give us 100 centimeter. So curved surface area of road roller is 2 pi RH. So by applying the formula, you can have 26400 centimeter square. So area covered in 750 resolution is 26400 into 750, which will give you 1980 meters square. Moving to our 10th and the last question, which says a company packaged its milk powder in cylindrical container whose base has the diameter of 14 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Company places a label around the surface of container. If the label is placed 2 centimeter from the top and bottom, what is the area of the label? So we have to find the diameter of the container, which is given to us, that is 14 centimeter. Radius d by 2, that is 14 by 2, which will have 7 centimeter. Height is also given to us, that is 20 centimeter. So the height of label we can find, that is 20 minus 2 minus 2, which will give you 16 centimeter. So the curved surface area of label is 2 pi RH. By applying this, we can have 704 centimeter square. So the area of label is 704 centimeter square. This is all from this chapter, guys. If you have any query or any doubt related to any of the question, please put your query in the comment section below. For regular updates and information, please subscribe to our channel Aglasen Schools. We wish you a safe life and do take care of yourself.